Good morning to you all. Hope you guys are doing well. I am happy to be here again. I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. My name is Samuel Opeola, the creator of Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips. I've got tons of training videos here. Feel free to watch them, grab some few tips there, practice well on them before going with your real money, before going live on your real account. Your demo money is meant for you to practice with. Do not practice with your real money. Okay, if you love any of my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button. Click on it and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or you want to know more about any of my trading tools or indicators, feel free to contact me. Here is my WhatsApp number and my email address is also there. Below it is the link to my Telegram channel. Feel free to join my Telegram channel so that you can learn directly from me. I also have all these three in the description box below this video so that you can easily access them whenever you are watching my video clips. Okay, for the past 1 week now, we've been discussing about how we can trade volatility 75, and I'll be doing one more video on it today because my last video was on part 2 of best scalping trading strategy for volatility 75, where I use 5 minutes time frame. Although some people were like they would like to learn more about how to do that, so that is why I'm trying to focus on the 5 minute trading strategy again today. Okay, after today's video we'll be moving on to another asset, probably volatility 100 or step index. So we'll look at how we can trade those two assets successfully. So let's go to today's training so that we can learn a few things from today's training. So I tag today's training best 5 minutes trading strategy for volatility 75. I'll be showing you how you can milk the market, the volatility 75 market, successfully using the 5 minutes trading strategy. But before going fully into today's training, I would like to do the first thing first, which is analyzing the market first. Okay, so many people are already waiting for my analysis. Okay, so let's go to the market. We'll be starting with boom 1000. For those that love trading boom 1000, let me tell you a few tips. If you are just coming into the trading, into the trading markets, probably you are still a newbie, you don't know how to go about it. I know so many of us love starting with boom and crash, so I'll advise you to start with the 1000 indices first. That is boom 1000 and crash 1000. You usually have an opportunity like this that goes for a very long time. That will take the fear away from you. Then it will help you to build the confidence in trading and understand the way the market really works before going to 500 indices. 500 is usually shorter than this. That is, the trend is usually shorter than that of 1000. So let's quickly do a few analysis about today's market so that we will know what to look for. For those that are trading 1000 and they are new in the system, they can easily get 5 minutes candle from 1000 or probably 3 minutes candle from 1000, most especially if they write the right tools. And that way, as they are learning, they are also growing and they are also adding some experience to their trading journey. So that way they will be able to earn and learn. Because I love it when you are earning while you are learning. So this is amazing opportunity for you. So if you are trading boom and crash for the very first time, or you are just starting up, start with boom 1000 and crash 1000, although they give half of what boom 500 and crash 500 will give you within a minute. But I think it is better that way, to start from the small aspect of the trading journey. I mean, from the small, from small, and grow up to someone that is very confident with the trading activity. So it is better you start small and grow up later on, than for you to start from the top and lose your money. So I would advise you to start with boom 1000 and crash 1000, then thereafter you can try out 500 indices. So let's do our analysis. Actually, boom 1000 is more of downtrend than uptrend. As you can see, it's been going down for a very long time. So you can see the share strength came out here, but the sell signal was confirmed here. You can see it got confirmed here, so you can come in and exit the market here. But because of the share strength, you can still go down a bit before it gets to, but exit the market before you get to the next support level. You can see that is giving you 9 minutes candle, but if you should look at it, because of this share strength that came out, you can see that it still went down. So if you had been in the market from here, you can see this will give you 12 minutes candle before this spike. But even the spike, because of the trend that changed, the spike was small. You can see it still went down to this level before the arrow finally came out, and that is 23 minutes candle. Can you see? That is amazing. That is amazing. You let's see another opportunity. There is another opportunity here. You can also come in and exit the market here. So you can plan your way around this. So boom 1000 is more of downtrend. You can see what's a mighty downtrend here. Can you see? You can come in here, exit the market just below, before the support level. You exit the market, that is 15 minutes candle, then you wait for the spike to happen or for the price action to break it, and of course it was broken. You can come in again and exit before the next support level, or once you see the white arrow, you exit the market. That is 19 minutes candle. That is amazing. Check out this one. This is amazing. This is amazing. It came, the market started, okay, let's say you decide to start here. You start after the support level, the last support level. You can see this is 38 minutes candle. So this is amazing. Okay, the market has been coming down for a while since morning, but right now it's going back up. It's going back up. You can see the uptrend, the dark blue here for share trend, which signifies the beginning of uptrend. So it is going back up. Wait for it to turn back into downtrend before you come into the market. Of course, you will see that by seeing the share trend giving you the signal. You will see something like this, once the downtrend is starting. That is one of the advantage of share trend. Share trend will always tell you or let you know when the trend is changing. So that is that. So let's check boom 500. For those that are not having the share trend, you can check my Telegram channel. The download link is there. You can download it free of charge. You can download it free of charge. This is the share trend again. You can see the light blue line and the magenta color line. Then you can see the dotted this red dot. The red dot signifies the beginning of a downtrend, while the dark blue dot, this signifies the beginning of a uptrend. So you can download it from the Telegram channel. It is free there, so just go there and download it. Okay, let's check boom 500. You can see boom 500, you hardly see it going for long before. Oh, this is long, but not long enough. You get this opportunity in rare cases, as in once in a blue moon. You get this opportunities like this once in a blue moon, so you hardly see such opportunities. So you can see So you get such opportunity once in a while, or you get more of that in 1000 indices. So that is that about that. So let's see. Presently, the boom 500 just finished a uptrend and trying to go back to downtrend. It's been more of downtrend than uptrend. You can see the dashboard, they are all down except in weekly. So it is more of uptrend, I mean downtrend than uptrend. So just do your analysis very well to know when to go into the market and when to exit the market. Check out the support and resistance level. All these are very, very vital in trading. For instance, if I'm in the market from here to this level, at this level I should be exiting the market because it is already around a support level, which can lead to a spike. But if it breaks this, then you should be looking at this support level, which can also lead to a spike. So that is how to trade this asset successfully. So presently, at the moment, boom 500 is fully on downtrend. So let's check out crash 1000. Crash 1000. Wow, crash 1000 is crashing. It's crashing at the moment, but it's been on uptrend at the early part of this morning. So presently the trend direction has changed to downtrend and will crash for a while before it change the direction to uptrend. So let's check crash 500. Let's see what is happening with crash 500 before we go into today's training. It's just crashed in crash 500, but it's been on uptrend for a while. You can see it's been on uptrend. So it is more of, let's say it is more of uptrend than downtrend. It's been on uptrend but presently crashing, but probably it will be going on uptrend again. But it will crash for a while before it start going back on uptrend, because presently it is crashing because it's been going on uptrend for some time and it has gotten to a major resistance level. So there should be a reversal in price action. So that is what is happening now, and I believe after a few downtrend, then we should get back to uptrend. So I'll be stopping here with my analysis, my daily analysis. Okay, we'll be going back to today's training, which is best 5 minutes trading strategy for volatility 75. Okay, we'll be looking at how we can trade and milk the volatility 75 market using the 5 minutes trading strategy. If you have any question at the end of this video, here is my contact details. Just feel free to contact me. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. You find the subscription button below this video, and also the notification bell will be beside it. So do so now so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's go to volatility 75. Okay, this is the indicator I'm using for today's training. Okay, it's a signal indicator. It gives signal. It helps you to analyze the market very well. It tells you when to buy and when to sell. Okay, and the signal is 95% accurate. So it is amazing. You can always rely on it to some extent. So it helps you to boost your analysis easily. So let's see how we can put it into use to our own advantage. I will be pointing out a few things. You will see the yellow lines and the blue lines. The yellow signifies is downtrend, while the blue line signifies an uptrend. Okay, they also serve as support and resistance. You can see when the price action gets to that level here, they start reversing back, and once it crosses the line, then you know that it will break up. For instance, you can see that at this level it crossed the line and the candle closed above the line. You can see that it went up. it went up. You can see that is another secret about it. You can see here that it breaks the line downward here, and you can see it's coming down, even though it's not for long, but it still came down. And remember, this is 5 minutes time frame, so this is still a whole lot of money with volatility 75. And check it out here, it breaks down here again, and check it, it was consolidating within this period, but this time around broke out and it came down. Can you see that? Okay, that is that about that. Then another thing I want you to quickly take note of is, you will notice that within the yellow region, you can see that it falls within that range. The reason is it is on downtrend, and within the blue region you can see it going up within that range. The reason is it is on uptrend. So that is that about that. You can see these two. Check out this downtrend. Have you seen it? So that is that. Okay, let's see this uptrend. You can see the uptrend going up to this level. So this is amazing. So you can see the downtrend here too, going down to this level. So that is amazing. So how do we now use this indicator to trade? Already I've given you a few tips. The yellow line giving us a downtrend, and the blue line giving us an uptrend, and also the line serving as support and resistance for you to know when the price action is breaking a support and a resistance level. And you can see this tiny line, this tiny white line, it serves as a trend line too. If the price action is below it, it means the market is generally on downtrend. If the market is above it, it means the market is generally on uptrend. You can see. So that is that about that. So how do you now put this indicator into full use? Whenever you may remember, this is 5-minute time frame. Whenever you have 5 signal, this 5 coming out at first, because of the volatility, because of how volatile volatility 75 is, and the movement of this particular asset, it moves up and down, but more in the direction of the trend it is following. It moves up and down. So for a start, the signal 5 will not be stable. It will be going up and down on this candle, on this particular candle. But once it is stable, then you should know that the market is selling for a while. It can sell for 2 candles, it can sell for 3 candles. The case of 2 candles is this. You can see this before buying. You can see that here it sold for 1 candle and a bit here before buying. You can see that, but the reason is the market is changing from downtrend to uptrend. So check out here, after the candle is stagnant, wait for a sell candle to appear. You can see that it appeared here. Then you can now come into the market. Let's say you decide to come into the market here, somewhere here. You decide to come into the market somewhere here, and the price action is now moving down. It got to this level or downward to this level. You can always, that is one thing I love about this asset, you can always introduce your stop loss on this line, on this, just to keep the profit between here and here. Then you allow this space for the price action to play with, because it goes up and down, up and down, up and down. But as it is going down, because the trend tells you that it will go down, so you can adjust its allowance for the price, giving allowance for the price action to play with. You can see price action plays and plays and still went down to this level, you can always adjust your stop loss to this level. So which means you are keeping the profit from year to year. That is amazing. That is amazing. So this strategy is so simple. All you just need to do is just to confirm the trend and also confirm the signal. Once the signal is standing, then you should know that it is going to sell for a while. Then you can now trail it down till the stop loss hits your till the price action gets to your stop loss, or you get a buy signal. You can see within the area that we started from, you can see from here to here there is no other signal that pops out for a buy signal. There is no buy signal that pops out. You can see as the price action is moving down, what do? You adjust your stop loss to this level, which means you are keeping the profit between the first line here and the second line here. Isn't that amazing? Then as it is going down, check it out, it gets to this level, then you can adjust your stop loss to this level. At this stage, you already have a lot of profit for yourself. Can you see? You already have a lot of profit for yourself. So the profits cannot be tampered with, even if the price action should give a sudden reversal even if the market should give a sudden reversal in price action, it will never take off your profits which you have kept aside. It will only take you away from the market so that you can keep the profit for yourself. So check it out. The buy signal came out from here. You can always close your market from here, or you can decide to maintain with your stop loss. Since you are already in a whole lot of profit, you can hold on to your stop loss so that once the price action goes up and gets to this stop loss, you will exit. You will be taken away from the market. Or if the sell signal continues just the way it continued from here and came to this level, you can always bring down your stop loss. It wanted to buy, but I think the resistance level was so strong that it went back on a sell signal before going back up. But this time around it broke it and you can see it going up. So you can adjust your stop loss to somewhere here, but this time around the price action went back up. Sorry about that. Went back up and got to your stop loss. So this way you'll be taken away from the market. But let's check out the profits you will have made. Can you imagine keeping the profit from here to this level? Isn't that amazing? That is keeping the profit from this level to this level. And remember, this is 5 minutes time frame. It is giving us 91 bars, so you will be in the market for quite a very long time. So this is amazing. This is amazing. And you can always turn the table around by trading a buy signal again to this level. You trade your buy signal to this level, you can exit the market here, or you allow it to hit your stop loss. If it didn't hit your stop loss, definitely you will get up to this level and milk the market again. And once you exit there, you can still turn the table around and trade a sell and trade a sell trend and trade it down again, coming from here and exit the market here again. Isn't that amazing? This is amazing 5-minute trading strategy. All you just need to do is to make sure you understand the way these assets work. The way the indicator works, the way the assets works, and apply the strategy I'm explaining to you here in this video so that you can milk the market successfully. Check out here. You can see the sell trend. You can see it coming down. Can you imagine coming down to this level? Then after that, it went back up from here, so you can always buy back from here. It started from here to this level. So that is amazing. That is amazing. So you can always do that over and over and over and trail it each time you have the opportunity to do that. So this is amazing. I believe this is well explained. I believe you understand everything I have explained here, but I need to quickly tell you this: volatility 75 movement is not the same as boom and crash. It is possible for you to go in now and for you to be at loss from the beginning, but that does not mean you are not in the right direction. You are not trading in the right direction. If you are patient enough, and probably if you do your analysis very well and you follow the right analysis, definitely you will go back in profit and have a whole lot of profit. But that is why I always advise you to have enough capital and also to use a reasonable lot size, because if you are having small capital and you are using a lot size that is not reasonable and you enter the market, probably you are trading for the first time, or you just heard about it that it is giving a whole lot of money, and you decide to trade it instead of trading boom and crash that you are used to without practice, and you decide to trade it without practicing first. Then you'll be surprised that once you enter the market, you will see yourself in a whole lot of negative result, and at the end of the day you will be so scared that it is going to take up all your capital. Then you close the trade at loss. Then you just be surprised, just after closing the trade at loss, you will see it bouncing back into the direction which you have chosen before. So that is that about volatility 75. I will ask you to practice well using this indicator if you are having it. If you are not having it, you can practice well with whatever trading tools you have. Once it is working well and you understand the way it works, practice well and you can apply the same strategy. The only thing is just that the indicators are different, but you can always trail it. So if your indicator is giving you positive results or making it easy for you to do your analysis, use it, practice well with it, and go live with it. The most important thing is for you to make some money for yourself. So I'll be stopping here for now. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. If you have any question or you want to know more about my trading strategy, or you even want to ask about this amazing indicator, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below. You can also find them on the screen directly right now. They are showing on the screen right now. You can also find them there. Feel free to contact me, send message to me directly, and I will reply you as soon as possible. So watch out for my next video. Until then, I remain Samuel Opeola. God bless you.